Hi.
Andy, what would you like to know from Dr. Drew?
So I'm a comic book and anime nerd. I've been on a lot of first dates on most basically all through online dating websites. And I've gotten dates, but then I've basically just been, for the most part, like ghosted.
Oh, they get up and leave in the middle of the date?
No, just like I don't hear from them afterwards.
Don't hear from them anymore.
They just go away.
Yeah.
How do the dates go?
And they seem to go fine up until, like, I mention my interests, which, I mean, nothing crazy, just that I go to these conventions, I go in cosplay a lot.
Oh, boy.
And then it seems like, you know, it's crickets, basically.
So you are, like, nerd squared, right?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
But I'm proud of it, honestly.
Proud of it. Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Come here. Come down here.
Oh.
Are we gonna date?
I want you to introduce you to your new date, Rachael.
Okay.
Drew, there's only so far we're willing to go.
Well, it'll just be the couch here. I promise.
Hello.
Not be
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
What do you talk about on these dates that turn the women off so much? I want you to give me an example here with Rachael.
That I...
I did that to Rachael.
Okay. I go to...
what do you say? Start. Do what you do with things.
Okay.
So, how do you like to spend your free time?
So I love going...
Eye contact.
Okay.
This is so weird.
So I love to cook and bake in my free time.
That's awesome.
Good.
That's fabulous. You know, I cook too. That's great.
And I also get a lot of my recipes from various comic books and manga that I read.
Record scratching.
I did not know that they had recipes in comic books. Sincerely.
They do in like the Japanese ones, actually.
Okay, well, this is a kind of
several
work
series,
here.
actually.
But what I want you to do is focus on her.
Okay.
Forget about what everything's you do and stuff. You tell a little bit about yourself, where you grew up, what's important to you emotionally. Leave the comic book and the cosplay out of this. That's maybe date number 5 or so. But right now, look, just to keep eye contact and keep focused on her. What is she into? And just keep feeding back. If you're comfortable, she's comfortable.
If he says I like to cook, and she says I like to cook or bake, whatever.
What do you like to cook and bake?
Right. Keep the conversation about her. Let's bury the comic book lead.
Yeah.
Is that
bury
what you're
your
saying?
stuff. Bury your stuff. Bury that lead. Eventually, you'll talk about that. But first, make a connection. Okay?
Comic books, second date only. Comic books.
5 dates.
Okay.
3 days.
Andy.
3 days.
Okay, can we compromise 3?
3 dates. 3 days.
You can't mention comic books until the 3rd date.
Got it.
Pinky swear.
Pinky swear.
Pinky swear. Okay, good luck.